Okay. Just gonna put this away for a moment. Talk about something else. I have 3 boxes. These 3 boxes were very, very important for me because it really and truly helped me, throwing that to the side. It really and truly helped me switch from regular power output to speed chargers because my tablet is demanding more and more power, which is not a bad thing because it is an older device. And I ended up getting something really, really cool in exchange for switching over to these 2 guys here. This is the IQ, the larger one, the one that has 2 standard USB type A's in it. It's a big block. This is the brand new Nano that they've been advertising the crap out of from Anker. It's also IQ, but it's called the Nano, and it's Nano because it's almost the size. It's so close to being the exact same size as the one from Apple. This is the actual one from Apple here. This is the one that came with my iPhone 11, and it's still got the paper on it. I keep the paper on there so I can tell which is which. Apple never gave out speed chargers for free. You always have to pay for them. This is not a speed charger, but this little tiny thing is a speed charger. So this technology, minus the extra port, is reduced to this. Now you saw 3 boxes, and you see 4 items. Well, the problem with the Nano is actually USB-C for the plug. So I got a USB-C to Lightning cable. So that's the reason you saw the 3 boxes. I love using this here because now that I'm doing this type of thing, you know that adapter that I keep on talking about? This adapter here, the A1619, now this works 100% of the time without me having an issue. So what I can do is grab this guy, pop this in, and watch when I have an error that pops up. See, there's an error right there. The error is literally saying that there's not enough power going through this to actually plug this in. So if I plugged in my Nano, watch what happens when I do the Nano. And now I don't get the error message. Wait 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. No error message. I absolutely love that. And now when I go to browser, there's the browser there. The Samsung actually pops up. So that is something that I think is completely amazing, is now I have the ability to work on stuff and be able to transfer files back and forth without having a whole bunch of rigmarole issues because I don't have enough space, or when I do plug in another adapter or whatever, I'm not having that same freaking issue of not enough power because the speed charger, all my speed chargers will work. This, not so much. This and the other block, the little Nano guy, these guys work. I love this.